after you've started applying these methods, you'll start to pick up an intuition and confidence for which colours work well together and which colours don't. Here are some general tips to help you. First, pick one dominant colour. Whichever colour harmony you choose, using one dominant colour will create a sense of balance in your design. You can choose one main colour and use the rules of colour harmonies to find other colours that work as accents or smaller details in your design. Next, use just a few colours. Simple is best. Adding too many colours in your design can quickly become overwhelming or chaotic to your viewers. Choosing just a few colours and applying these colour rules can create art that is bold, simple, and yet still interesting. Finally, you can use colour palettes for inspiration. Learning the rules of colour theory can help you know what works well together, but it doesn't mean you have to start from scratch every time. You can find colour palettes like those I've included in the colour catalogue that are inspired by nature or existing designs and naturally incorporate colours that look good together.